So, you're coming back to retrieve the TrojanLITE, usually after a week or for weekend party noise, Friday to Monday. So how do we take this all to bits quickly to get out of the property? Well, firstly, you're going to remove that padlock because you've definitely remembered the code that you put into it. We are then going to open up our kit case, like so. And then, as in keeping with the setting it up, we like to keep it straightforward here at Cirrus. So to stop your measurement, please press the button underneath the word stop. You will now see that that red circle at the top of the screen has disappeared. It is no longer taking a measurement. Now the next bit is for me the only bit which isn't 100% intuitive, but once you've done it once you'll be fine. We need to get back to that calibration screen. So to do that, please press the button underneath the word exit and then press the button underneath the word calibrate. And once you've done that, it's the same process as previously, and we must calibrate at the end of our measurement because this bookends our measurement. So if the microphone capture worked correctly at the start of the measurement and again at the end, then that would suggest that the data between those 2 points is accurate. So again, it'll just take a few seconds to find that settled level, but when it does, the only option you'll have is to press the button underneath the word OK. So done. Move the calibrator, switch it off to save those batteries, and then all we need you to do is basically the opposite of what you did when you set it up. So we're now going to ask you to disconnect the cable by unscrewing the nuts, placing that there. The windshield can go into your accessories pouch, as can the top of the tripod and the tripod itself. Make sure that you remember to retrieve the remote control fob. We can get one to you in 24 hours, but you are waiting 24 hours. And then, all we need you to do now is just switch the instrument off. There are no save options with your TrojanLITE. As soon as you press stop, all of the data is automatically stored to the instrument and ready for you to download. So to switch it off, we have a little button here at the side. All I need you to do is to please hold that down and you'll see a little red box appear on the screen. And if I'd have kept my finger pressed down, that screen would be black, and that's it done. I shall leave this up and running for the software training that I shall be doing in a moment. But once that screen is now black, because you've switched it off, you've placed all of your accessories into the pouch, you can close your kit case, disconnect of course, pop it in your rucksack, and away you go.